Amplify your speech, expressing strong preferences with love. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the wonderful world of expressing strong preferences in English using the word love. As you may know, like and love are commonly used to show our preferences. However, love stands out for its intensity. So let's discover how to enhance your English by expressing strong preferences with love. Love, beyond its romantic connotations, is used extensively in English to express strong liking or deep interest for something or someone. When we really enjoy or appreciate something significantly more than just liking it, we often use the word love. For example, instead of saying, "I like ice cream," to express a strong preference you can say, "I love ice cream." Now let's dive into how to use love in sentences. Remember, love can be used with both singular and plural nouns, as well as gerunds. With singular or plural nouns, I love apples. I love this song. With gerunds, verb plus ing, I love reading books. Tip: use love carefully as it expresses a strong emotion or preference. It would sound odd to say, "I love this pen," unless it's a very special pen to you. Just like other verbs, love can be used in negative sentences and questions. Negative sentences: I don't love broccoli. This means you may not necessarily dislike broccoli, but it's not something you really enjoy. Questions: do you love jazz music? When you ask someone this question, you're asking whether they have a strong preference for jazz music. Although like and love can often be used interchangeably, remember that love denotes a stronger, deeper preference. Use like when your feelings are not very strong. I like coffee. Use love when your feelings are intense. I love coffee. If you say, "I love coffee," it suggests that you enjoy coffee a lot and probably drink it often. Expressing your preferences can take your English conversations to a new level, making them more colorful and detailed. I hope this video helped you understand how to use like and love to express your preferences, particularly how to express strong preferences with love. Keep practicing and don't forget to love the process of learning English. We'll catch up in the next video. Happy learning!